I love that this has some texture to it. It's the perfect color for my living room, and the fact that it was made for me just makes it a little bit more special, so I really love that. And I also was able to choose what color frame I wanted. Don't have to choose a frame if you don't want to, but I feel like the frame kind of pulls everything together. So for orders that include frames like mine, you are supplied with a full set of hanging tools, so you're not having to go out to the store and buy anything to hang up this piece of art with. You can also hang it in any direction that you like. I'm actually very impressed with the overall appearance and the quality. There's also a variety of sizes that you have to choose from. We thought this size was perfect for the space. So if you're interested in VinchyArt, I will have all the information linked down below. And they were nice enough to give you guys the largest discount they've ever given anybody, which is 35% off your order using my code Candice35.